Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 100-foot retractable hose reel for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything. I'm going to take it out of the box, do the installation, and then show you the different spray patterns on it and let you know my overall opinion. So top has a little manual and install instructions, a template, so that's perfect. Here's the hardware pack and the mounting bracket. It's the entire reel. Did come bubble wrap, so that's nice. All right, so just a quick look. This is the entire unit itself. So this is the actual extendable part, I believe, here. Yep. And then on this side, I believe this is about a 6-foot hose that will run from your house to your spigot. So I'm actually going to take this and install it right here and replace this mess that I have going on with my hose now. So really excited about that. So here's an up close look at the install instructions. You'll see you'll need a couple things. A marker, just a standard drill, my set of masonry drill bits, and just a small trim hammer. Go ahead and line this up, figure out where I want it. I really don't want to put holes in my brick, so I'm going to try to just stay in my mortar lines. I actually am only going to put 3 holes. And here's a up close look at the anchors that they come with. So make sure your hole is deep enough for them. Take your anchors. Like I said, I'm putting in just 3. And grab your mounting bracket and your bolts. Line that up. Get those hands started. So go ahead and use your Phillips head bit to drive these in. I'm confident that it's plenty strong enough, but always I recommend following the instructions. Put the 4 bolts in. And now we'll pick up the whole unit and bring over the pin. You see up top there, the mounting holes, and then the mounting holes on the hose reel. Just have to get that lined up and then use the pin that they provided, get it lined up, and there it is, the entire install. You can see it swivels back and forth really nicely. And then you go ahead and install the sprayer attachment. So here it is, guys, an up close look of the installed unit. Just make sure you have your sprayer tightened on, your 6-foot hose, attach it to your spigot. I'm gonna take it and walk away from my house with it, and you can see all of the different spray patterns right here. And now the last thing to show you is just how easily it reels back in, so you don't leave it all over your yard. Just do a little pull and it stops. That's it, guys. Really cool product. Definitely recommend it.